We all crave the taste of fresh, homegrown produce. Imagine stepping into your garden and snipping herbs for dinner or picking a sun-warmed tomato. Gardening is a wonderful hobby, but let's face it, life gets busy. Work, family, and social commitments often leave little time for daily watering and plant care. Don't let a busy schedule deter you from experiencing the joys of gardening. There's a solution that's transforming the way people garden, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their schedule. Self-watering systems are the answer for those who want a thriving garden without the constant upkeep. These ingenious methods provide a steady supply of water directly to your plant's roots, ensuring they stay hydrated and happy even if you miss a day or two of watering. Self-watering systems take the guesswork out of gardening. They eliminate the daily chore of watering, freeing up your time while providing your plants with the consistent moisture they need to flourish. But how do these magical systems work? There are two popular methods we'll explore: self-watering pots and wicking beds. Self-watering pots, as the name suggests, are individual pots with a built-in reservoir that waters your plants from below. Wicking beds, on the other hand, are raised garden beds with a water reservoir at the bottom. They use a process called capillary action, where water is drawn upwards through the soil, keeping it consistently moist. Both methods offer a low-maintenance approach to gardening, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your labor without the daily hassle. No more rushing home to water your plants or feeling guilty about neglecting them during busy periods. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's gather the materials you'll need. Don't worry, these items are readily available at your local garden centre or online. For self-watering pots, you'll need a self-watering pot, of course, potting mix specifically designed for self-watering containers and your favourite plants. For a wicking bed, you'll need a container for your bed. A raised garden bed works well. Heavy-duty landscape fabric, gravel or pebbles, PVC pipe for the overflow and potting mix. Once you have your supplies, you're ready to embark on your self-watering gardening adventure. Section 4. Creating a self-watering pot. A step-by-step guide. Creating a self-watering pot is simple. Fill the pot with potting mix, remove the plant from its nursery pot and nestle it into the mix. Water thoroughly from the top, fill the reservoir with water, check the water level indicator, refill as needed, your plant will stay hydrated. Section 5. Building a wicking bed, a step-by-step guide. Building a wicking bed requires more effort than a self-watering pot, but the rewards are worth it. Line the bottom with landscape fabric to prevent soil from clogging drainage holes. Add a layer of gravel to create a water reservoir. Drill a hole for the overflow pipe and insert a PVC pipe. Cover the gravel with landscape fabric and fill with potting mix. Water thoroughly and start planting your vegetables, herbs or flowers. The wicking bed will keep the soil moist, providing steady hydration for your plants. Section 6. Reap the rewards, effortless gardening, bountiful harvests. Self-watering systems offer a plethora of benefits for both busy gardeners and the environment. First, water conservation. These systems minimize water waste by delivering water directly to the roots, reducing evaporation and runoff. Next, reduced maintenance. Say goodbye to daily watering chores. Self-watering systems free up your time and reduce the need for constant attention. Finally, healthier plants. Consistent moisture levels promote healthy root development and reduce the risk of overwatering or underwatering. With self-watering systems, you can enjoy a thriving garden and bountiful harvests without the stress of traditional gardening methods. Section 7. Embrace the green thumb within. Start your self-watering journey. Embrace the joy of gardening without the constraints of a busy schedule. Self-watering systems empower you to grow your own food, beautify your surroundings, and connect with nature, all while conserving water and simplifying your life. Start small with a few self-watering pots on your balcony or patio, or dive into the world of wicking beds and create a thriving, edible landscape in your backyard. No matter your experience level or available space, there's a self-watering solution perfect for you. So why wait? Embrace the effortless elegance of self-watering systems and embark on your journey to a greener, more fulfilling lifestyle today.